Hi everyone. I hope you are all well. Today I am gonna show you how you can get connected Wi-Fi passwords. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
First open any browser and paste the link given in the description. Now you can see this type of interface. Here scroll a bit and click the next button. Now again click the download button and the download will start. I already have it installed so I'm not doing it. Wait until it's downloaded. Then go to your download section and extract the RAR file. And click the exe installer. Click Yes. Select the installation path and click Next. Mark this box and click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Open the software. Here you can see all the connected Wi-Fi passwords in your Windows. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.